Hey everyone, it's Lizzie at Shoes of Hollywood. I am so excited right now. I've got some gorgeous shoes again. These are a Pleaser Adore-709OMBRE. Now, before I open it, look at my nails. You will understand why I'm saying to look at my nails once I open these. Get ready. These shoes are my absolute favorite. They are wrapped very beautifully and very carefully because they're covered in glitter. They match my nails. So these are an ombre, which means they shift from one colour to another. These go from a very dark purple to a pink to an even lighter pink. Now, Pleaser does do a few different ombre sort of shoes. Just check out our website and you can see. But these are absolutely my favourite, hence why my nails are the same colour. I'm so excited. Now these are a 7-inch heel shoe. I'll just get the other one out for you. I have wanted these shoes since the day I laid eyes on them. No joke. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how they catch the light. Now on the bottom we have a nice secure grip and we have one chrome clasp to make sure these don't fall off. Let's try them on. I cannot believe my nails and my shoes are the same colour. Now, as you can see, there's a bit of stretch here to make sure you can get them around your ankles. But they are very secure. Look at how beautiful they are. I'm in absolute awe of these shoes. My all-time favourite shoes. They look fantastic. So 7 inches, very secure, super easy to walk in, and they look fantastic. They catch the light beautifully. I'm so excited, they look so good! We'll take them outside so you can see how they shine in the light. Oh my word, they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, look at my nails and these shoes. No joke, my nails were just done for these shoes. So gorgeous. I've never felt more confident in a pair of shoes before. Look at that shine in the light. You can tell I'm very excited. So these shoes, ever since they were made for me, and I'm so excited to be wearing them right now. So they look great. So these are a Pleaser Adore-709 Ombre. Again, they do come in a variety of different sort of ombre colours, but this is my absolute favourite. I'll just take them off for you. Again, these are a 7-inch heel. They look so gorgeous. I can't get over how beautiful they are. Oh my god. And they come wrapped beautifully, so the glitter doesn't go everywhere. The glitter is very secure, doesn't come off. And these also come with a bag. So if you're on the go, you can pop them in here. But yeah, again, these are the Pleaser Adore-709 Ombre. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also press the bell notification so you know when we have new videos. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.